At least 120 kilograms of gold worth more than 10 million US dollars have disappeared into the black market under the watch of a powerful mining syndicate that disguised itself as a legitimate operator in KUTYA's Slowela gold belt, according to confidential documents obtained by checkpoint investigations. Salapena mashoko budanyugo pango ende nyogostinzi 10 million US dollars of gold vanishes in Mnangagwa's hometown. Please subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna mnamuda yuko mchenzi. The syndicate's flagship company, PODHIL Private Limited, jointly owned by Chinese national Mr. Zhu Wenzhong and Australian businessman Mr. Mohan Karim, declared less than 4 kgs of gold for official banking in 2024, despite internal production logs showing thousands of kilograms of ore processed monthly and multiple smelting runs conducted off recorded. In December 2024 alone, PODHIL's CIP carbon processing line reportedly extracted close to 1.5 kgs of gold per batch, generating over $16,000 per transaction, handled mostly by an associate identified as Talib. Only 300 grams of this output were officially submitted to Fidelity Breeders and Refiners at the CID Minerals Unit. Investigations say PODHIL's heap leaching and floating operations brought in over $117,000 per smelt, running during May and June 2024, but none of this was declared to tax authorities or the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. Instead, highly pure amalgam batches were sold privately at $70 per gram through unregistered foreign linked buyers. At the center of the operation stands Mr. Zhu Wenzhong, who controls 95% of PODHIL through Generous Resources Private Limited, working with Mr. Mohammed Taleb, Mr. Yi Haoyang, and Mr. Dawn Yunib Zhou. Allegedly, they oversaw a smuggling network that shipped smelted gold directly from KUTYA to off-book refiners in Dubai and China. An internal criminal dossier reviewed by Checkpoint detailed how workers were instructed to smelt quietly and to move gold without record. Transaction ledgers list over 16,854 grams sold privately between December 2023 and May 2024, with another 34 kg by year end, all outside official oversight. Doma shukaripo pangwa ino kuti kuno konse aho munyika yeZimbabwe pangwa ino minerals ari kubatwa aiwa zvisiri transparent. Panguva ino vanhu vachiita zitsotsi, mari ichinoprosesewa outside of the country. Panguva ino kunyatsokuonekwa kunzi even the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe kunyange neZimbra inenge isingatombozivi kuti mari dziri kufambiswa sei. Pana comment section medu dzinofungira enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.